Hi everybody, I'm going to be sharing with you the right way to drink turmeric milk and why you should be drinking this every day. Turmeric is an excellent antiseptic and blood purifier, and if you drink this right before bed, it helps to remove all the toxins and buildup in your body and blood, and gives you an amazingly sound sleep. There are so many benefits for why you should be drinking this, and we're going to cover just a few. The first one is for pain and swelling. Turmeric milk is a great anti-inflammatory, so drinking it will help to reduce any kind of pains and swelling you have, be it from arthritis or joint pain, or even if you're going through your menstrual cycle and you're having cramps or pains in your stomach. This is really great to be taking to relieve you from any of these symptoms. It can also help to reduce your risk of cancer and heart disease. It's loaded with antioxidants that help to attack all those free radicals. It has lots of antioxidants, which is great to keep away all those free radicals. And these free radicals cause inflammation and serious diseases like heart disease and cancer. And that has been the root of all diseases, is chronic inflammation. What's really special about turmeric is it helps to prevent the growth and development of cancer cells. And cancer and heart disease are one of the top diseases that most people die from. So just drinking this every day can help to reduce your risk of getting any of these diseases. Turmeric milk is one of the best ways you can boost your immune system. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, has all of these properties to help prevent you from getting any kind of infections or sicknesses. So this alone should be enough of a reason for you to drink this every day so you never get sick. You also can delay diabetes by taking this turmeric milk because it helps to balance out your blood glucose levels. Because it's loaded with antioxidants, it's also amazing for your skin to prevent aging. It stops the damage to cells and slows down aging, which helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And it also promotes new cell growth. So this is all excellent. Turmeric milk can also help to boost your brain function, which helps to prevent Alzheimer's disease and depression. The curcumin in turmeric helps to clear out the plaques that build up inside the brain system. There are so many amazing benefits of turmeric for your brain and body. I did a whole nother video on this, and you can watch it here. I'll leave a link in the description box of the benefits of turmeric. Please go watch it if you want to learn some more great stuff about how you can use this. Another reason to start using turmeric milk is for your eye health. It has been shown to be very good at treating glaucoma and cataracts. So if you take it regularly, it helps to halt the progression of these diseases in your eyes. Turmeric is fantastic for your skin. It is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant. All of these properties help it to heal wounds, prevent acne and breakouts, fight eczema and psoriasis on your skin. It reduces scars and can even lighten dark circles. So why wouldn't you want to try it? It's really great for your digestion as well. It helps to put your digestive system back on track. So if you're having any bloating or bad digestion, you can take this and it'll help to smooth things along. It also helps to stimulate your gallbladder. That helps to produce the bile, which is great for helping everything to work more smoothly. This can also help with your bones. It helps to protect the bone tissue and helps to stop bone loss. So this will help you to reduce your risk of getting bone fractures and strengthen up your body. And a very important one, if you take this before bed, it will help you to get better sleep. You won't get up all night. You will just sleep very sound. Okay, now how to prepare your turmeric milk. Now you want to get fresh turmeric. If you can get it, use the fresh root. If you can use the powder, but it'll be much more effective if you can find the fresh root. In a pot, you're going to put 1 cup of milk, and you're going to add a half a teaspoon of fresh turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. The black pepper and the coconut oil make the turmeric super absorb into your body thousands of times more. So you don't want to miss this. You can also add cinnamon and cloves to it if you want some other flavor. And you bring this to a boil and then turn it off. When it's cooled down a little bit, you can add a spoon of sugar or honey would be better. And enjoy it right before bed. Please ask your doctor before you start taking this turmeric milk and start enjoying these benefits as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.